Wah, sawah. Bye-bye, Nathan. Bye-bye. Bersua lagi pemirsa dengan TVA. Ulasan kali ini merupakan ekspedisi global ID Bus World Tour 2025 yang tiba di Surabaya pada awal November lalu. Menjadi destinasi ketiga di Indonesia, perjalanan ini dipimpin oleh ekspeditor asal Jerman Rainer Zedlow dalam rangka menjelajahi 75 negara sejauh 80.000 km. Tentunya untuk merayakan 75 tahun Volkswagen Bus yang merupakan ikon otomotif lintas generasi. Selamat menikmati. Suramadu kok kenal?
Suramadu masa depan. Suramadu masa depan. Meksiko lah. Kiri ya? Apa ini? Kan ini sepanjang Greenfield. Dari mana dia?
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Mr. Rainer Zedlow.
Yeah, that's me. That's Rainer Zedlow right here from Germany. You see my car. You see the German number plate. You see WOB in the beginning. Wolfsburg, you know, that's the town where Volkswagen is coming from. And I drove all the way from Germany on the 1st of July. I started all the way here on a new Guinness World Record drive for driving around the world, hitting the most countries. I plan to do it like 75. I now here in Indonesia for 48. 48. I have a translator with me. Harry, just come please to me. If you have any question and you do not understand me, just go to Harry. He's sitting here in front. Asking him, he translate for you. Thank you, Harry. Okay. Now, before I start my show, it takes about 30 minutes. We do pictures at the car later. I do also signature of a head. Before we start doing this, I go on stage and I explain to you who I am. Coming from Germany, I have a son, I'm married, as you see, 55 years old, and I'm doing nothing since world record drive since I am 35. Since 35 years when we start with Challenge 4, and since 35 I'm doing world record for Volkswagen. And you see here now, this is my landing page, VW-ID-Buzz-World-Tour.com, if you want to see me driving around the world on that webpage here. But look at that, Challenge 4, that's my agency, and I would like to start, and before we go with the show, please, little applause for two persons who are very, very important for me. One is Judith, right here. Thank you very much, Judith, for hosting me. The last 3 days, she was on my side all the time. And then there's another one, Hardy, please, stand up, Hardy, please. Thank you so much, thank you. Now, coming to Challenge 4, that means driving around the world for Guinness Book of Records, and I have already 9 Guinness World Records, 9. Let's start. You see all my routes around the world. There's a little gap here in Africa, but anything else, I visited 135 countries, and of course Indonesia I've been, you see, in 2012, I drove from Melbourne all the way up to St. Petersburg in just 17 days. The red road you see here, a Guinness World Record, 17 days. Now, I would say, let's start some pictures, and you can see what I've driven. 2005, when I was 35 years old, 6,081 meters with a Touareg, 6,081 meters with a Touareg, then driving around the world. So this world around tour with the ID Buzz is not my first world round tour, it's my second. I drove around the world 2006-07 with a car called Volkswagen Caddy, natural gas. Next picture. So we have here driving around Tibet and China with CNG, driving through Germany with CNG, driving through Russia, and look at this picture now. This is a highway in Russia at that time, 2009 and 2010. I drove with CNG from Alaska to Argentina. Then I changed the car. I drove then Touareg TDI through the Americas, and now look at this picture here. Do you see that flag? Do you remember the flag? Red and white. It's Indonesia. We traveled from Melbourne to St. Petersburg in 17 days. This is the world record picture. Now, and this is my most freaky world record. I drove with this 2-3 Amaroks from Moscow to the Bering Strait, so I could see Alaska. I drove all the way through Russia to see Alaska. That was this big project. We had minus 56 degrees. Minus 56 degrees. Not 37 outside. 56 minus. I drove through Africa 2 times. You see here Touareg, this one here. I drove through Russia and Eurasia 1 time, and the world record time 6 days only. I drove Paris-Dakar, I drove Silk Road, I drove the new Touareg to Bratislava. Look at this here, we have the Lake Baikal, 1,000 meter deep, 1,000, it's frozen. And I drove with the car again back to Germany with journalists. Next picture, I drove Panamericana with Amarok again. This is COVID, you know, the big problem we had. I could only do the world record in Germany. I was planning to drive with ID3 from Germany to China, but I couldn't. All borders closed, COVID. I drove USA, I drove another Guinness World Record for height, 6,000 meter electric, ID4 in Bolivia, and then through Florida, through Canada, ID Buzz in Middle East, and this is a very nice project also. The VW logo, I designed with the GPS in Australia. I designed the GPS VW logo in Australia last year. I drove through all 10 deserts in 6 days with this Amarok, and now here, that's my world record. Judy, please go to the map. Please show how far I already drove around the world, full electric. And you see here, started in Hanover, Europe, Turkey, crossing into Kazakhstan, Uzbekistan, China all the way, Southeast Asia, Malaysia, and then from Tanjung Pila Pass, I took a container into Jakarta, And from Jakarta, right here, right at the yellow point here, I am in country number 48 out of 75. And I will, this is the route you see here,
Konotoli.
every 15 minutes a blue
Konotoli.
point.
Kan liwat ton.
I continue with this blue point around the world. So go to my webpage, idbusworldrecord.com, and you see me now driving around the world with every 50 minutes. Now let's show you some pictures which are very important for me. This actually took me 20 years that I stand in front of the two bosses from Volkswagen. You know, Lars Krause and Jens Heike here, production, he's head of marketing and sales, and they stand behind me. 20 years of convincing Volkswagen that I do world records, now I have that great picture here. Next one, I'm driving, and do you know what that is? I might be help here, like a little quiz.
Sure.
What city is this?
Kota apa kira-kira, Bapak Ibu? Berlin.
Berlin, and you know what it's called? You know what it is? It starts with a B.
B.
It's the Brandenburg Tor, the Brandenburg Gate. In the 20s and 30s, you could even drive through, but then they closed it. Okay, one of the very few monuments not involved in the Second World War, just standing, one of the few buildings. Next building, next big picture. And now, what is this? Where is it?
Di mana ini Bapak Ibu? Ada yang bisa menebak?
I asked the Catholic people in this room, do you know where that is?
Ada yang paham tempat ini di
It's in
mana?
Italy, but which town?
Di kota mana di Italia Bapak Ibu?
Malang iku Malang.
It's the
Gereja Malang iku.
Tempat yang
Kawi.
Vatikan?
Yeah, and the Vatican City is the smallest country in the world.
Gereja Bulutuk Semarang.
You might translate.
Negara terkecil di dunia, Vatikan, Bapak Ibu, ini lokasinya. Jadi kalau misalnya Anda punya kesempatan untuk mengunjunginya, ini area.
This person here is the personal assistant of the Pope.
Untuk asisten pribadinya Pope, Paus itu berfoto di tengah-tengah, Bapak Ibu.
The Pope is living in this house here, so he can see the back of the St. Paul Cathedral.
Jadi tinggalnya Pope itu di sebelahnya, jadi dia bisa melihat ke area belakang dari gedung ini.
Next picture. Now, Kazakhstan, and you must know this camel and my car driving on the ground of a lake called Lake Aral.
Bapak Ibu, ini merupakan, kalau ini kelihatannya seperti tanah biasa, tetapi sebenarnya ini adalah sebuah danau yang kering, Bapak Ibu, danau Akar.
Yeah, there was full water, but the Russians took the water off in the 60s. Now no water and houses on the ground of a lake.
Jadi ketika ini penuh dengan air, waktu itu Rusia itu mengambil air ini untuk pertanian pada tahun 1960. Kemudian karena air itu habis, maka tanah ini naik ke permukaan dan menjadi landasan yang dilewati oleh air.
Very good. Next picture. This is how I charge. You must know my car has the same system as Indonesia. I have the same system as Indonesia, CCS2. So I can charge here, thank you very much. But not in China. In China I have to use this solution by charging at the Volkswagen dealer.
Ya, untuk di China untuk carinya harus ke stasiun charging seperti itu ya.
We have to use a cable, a big cable connecting it to the power box.
Harus pakai kabel besar itu untuk masuk ke kabel boxnya.
And the power box deliver the power to the car.
Dari power boxnya itu disalurkan melalui kabel ke mobilnya.
And the power is about 75 kilowatts, so I can charge my car in 2 hours.
Jadi tadinya 75 kilowatt, jadi cukup untuk 2 jam.
Next picture. Look, what is this? What is this?
Apa itu Bapak Ibu sekalian? Kira-kira apa itu?
You see laser lights, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's in China again, and they do it and people are not falling to sleep.
Ya, jadi di China itu ada 7 lampu dengan warna-warni. Itu dilakukan supaya para pengemudi tidak ngantuk nanti ketika berkendara.
So when you drive 100 kilometers away from here, you can still see it on the sky. All these lights.
Jadi ketika mengebut sampai 100 km per jam, menjauhi kampung itu, jadi pengendara
Next picture.
bisa keluar kampung.
Now, you know where that is? Do you know?
Di mana ini?
You know?
Di mana?
Who know? You know everything. Wait a second. Who know?
Ada
Okay,
yang
go
tahu?
ahead. Shanghai. Yes, and the road it's called the Bond. Shanghai, the Bond.
Baik, ini di Shanghai di tempat namanya The Bull.
And this is a very famous landmark for Shanghai.
Ya,
Next picture.
Terkenal di Shanghai.
Where's that?
Di mana ini? Kita tahu semua ya.
Oh, Petronas Towers. Look how tall I am. It's Petronas Towers in Kuala Lumpur. Next picture. Now, okay, but this you know. You must know there's one funny thing. In 1992,
Satu orang lucu di tahun
I was
1992.
coming to Jakarta when I was 22 years old.
Saya di Jakarta umur 20.
And I worked in Block M. Do you know Block M in Jakarta?
Bekerja di Blok M,
I was a little man, a little student.
di kuliah. Di
So
sini.
when people ask me on my trip, what are your most favorite countries? I have always the number. I always have three:
Yang untuk negara favorit kalau 3 negara.
Argentina,
Argentina,
Alaska, Indonesia. Thank you very much. A very nice country you have. So many people making like this. So many people laughing at me, and so many people watching me driving the ID bus. Thank you very, very much.
Semua orang tersenyum ketika melihat perjalanan dari Madinah.
Julie, next picture. See here, the Batavia Bridge. I like very much. Okay, and next picture, please.
Jembatan Batavia.
Driving in the convoy, and ladies and gentlemen, one big applause for the Volkswagen community here in Indonesia. They follow me all the way from Jakarta to
Mereka
Surabaya.
mengikuti perjalanan dari Jakarta ke Surabaya.
ID bus, T4. Here in Surabaya, we have even Volkswagen Safari. We have even T2. We have even T3. Thank you very much for driving me around. And look at this last picture now. Yes. Ha! You're rich. You know, remember? T2, Safari, T3, T5. And we do a big convoy together with my ID bus. Thank you very much, Volkswagen community. Thank you. Very strong. Look at me. You see where's my Volkswagen logo on which side of my breast? Which side? The left side. What is on the left side? It's my heart. I am a Volkswagen enthusiastic as you are. You driving one of the greatest brands you can ever imagine. Volkswagen is the loveliest Guinness World Record brand. Thank you very much. Thank you. Now continue with the show. What we have next?
We've got Q&A.
Yeah. Q&A. Okay, that
Yes,
means
Okay.
maybe you come with me and the translator.
Rekan-rekan media, kalau ada ingin mengajukan pertanyaan atau Bapak Ibu, rekan-rekan media dan juga teman-teman komunitas yang ingin mengajukan pertanyaan, silakan. Rekan-rekan dari tim kami akan membantu Anda dengan mikrofon. Silakan state untuk nama. Silakan, ada yang ingin bertanya? Mungkin malu-malu. They're kind of shy to ask you. They rather ask you personally, I believe, but let the questions be on air. Silakan. Ada?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Can we have your name, please? Boleh sebutkan nama terlebih dahulu, silakan.
Halo, saya Wilson dari Autonomous.
Can say bahasa.
Oh ya, I'm just curious, how do you manage the storage in your car?
Can you translate?
Storage dalam mobilnya itu piarannya sih gimana nanti belakang untuk barang-barang dan lain-lain?
Yeah. The storage in my car is not much because I would like to drive with a stock car, showing that people, when you go to a dealer and buy that car, there is no need of modification. But I have a little modification.
Ya, jadi barang-barangnya karena tidak terlalu banyak, jadi tidak terlalu banyak modifikasinya.
So the modification is that I can sleep inside the car. I sleep inside the car, that's all.
Yang penting bisa buat tidur di mobil.
That's the only modification. And of course, I have a mobile converter for charging in USA, Japan, and China because they don't have CCS2.
Oke, ya jadi khusus untuk di China perlu yang mobile operatornya. Ya, untuk modifikasi cuma itu saja.
Just the bed.
Just a bit. Just a bit. Because I do like truck driver, I drive about 800 kilometer and then I sleep in the car for another 8 hours and drive again 8 hours, sleep 8 hours, you know, this is how I drive.
Jadi seperti
Next question.
Ya.
Maybe a woman is asking me, maybe you, maybe don't ask me a question.
Silakan.
Yes, please. Tell me. Yeah.
Can we have your name, please?
Hello, my name is Melissa. Pertanyaannya, apa momen yang paling berkesan selama perjalanan naik mobil ini?
What's the most memorable moment when you drive this car?
The most memorable moment of driving this car to coming here? I have many moments, but probably one of the biggest moments for me was when I entered into Thailand. You saw the video of Thailand. They changed the policy of border. Now I have to pay over $1,000 to enter Thailand. They made this changement without it, I know. So I was at the border staying for 3 days to collect the money to pay entrance Thailand.
Jadi yang paling berkesan ketika mau masuk ke Thailand karena ada perubahan kebijakan. Jadi ketika masuk ke Thailand harus bayar $1,000. Jadi saya harus stay di perbatasan selama 3 hari untuk mengumpulkan dananya.
My friends, Judith, I think we forget to show you that I also do donation for kids, you know. Don't forget my charity organization SOS Children Village. I support little kids all over the world since 20 years. Judith, look at this. I support SOS Children Village in Chile, in Nepal, in Tibet, in China, in Germany, Russia, Colombia, Ecuador, Laos, South Africa, Sudan, Nigeria, and then little up please, Judith. You see here, South Africa again, Belarus, White Russia. This was in Tanzania, this was Uruguay, Los Angeles, Bolivia, Florida, and Germany. Always 3,000 to 4,000 euros per each SOS Children Village. And I will probably, I don't know, but mostly I think of, for this journey, another donation for an SOS Children Village in Indonesia! Thank you, my friends. This I would like to show you, I'm not only driving around the world, I do also donation for kids. So, what are we in time? Tell me. Are the time okay?
Okay, so the,
Yeah. Okay, look.
for the next photo.
Have you seen this here? I told you I have done 9 Guinness World Records. Count with me. Count with me. What is number 1 in Bahasa?
1, 2,
1,
2,
2,
3.
no, here,
Oke. 3,
3. Next. Here.
4.
This I don't like. Why I don't like? I told you, in 2020 I don't like my own world record. Why? Because, you remember? Yes. I could only drive in Germany. But I'm a long distance driver, long distance, and I could not drive because COVID blocked me. That was 2020. So we stopped here at number 4.
4,
Then we have
5,
6,
6,
7,
7, 7,
8,
8,
and should be 9. Should be 9.
8.
Let's count again. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Yeah. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's what we see. And Guinness World Record is actually driving around the world. So my friends, this is Guinness World Record. Since London is agreeing me driving around the world, I present them also together like Volkswagen. And Judith, what's the next plan now?
Okay, can we get back to the Q&A, sir?
Yes, please.
Oke, ada lagi yang ingin bertanya? Silakan.
Ya, saya Boim dari Auto Plaza. Ketika melakukan perjalanan ribuan kilometer ini, kira-kira sudah ada penggantian part apa khususnya untuk mobil listrik ini? Ya, selama perjalanan itu sudah ganti part apa aja kan? Ada gitu aja.
Have you changed any parts during the journey?
No, I have not changed any parts. This is a very reliable and robust ID bus. ID bus ID Buzz Volkswagen car. All my world records on electric cars have been very much without any problems. It's a safe car, a durability car, a strong car. I can only recommend you to get it here in Indonesia. You feel very safe, you feel good, even when it's heavy raining. Yesterday night we drove through the rain season on the highway, it was perfectly dark.
Tidak ada part yang diganti, bahkan semalam waktu hujan juga tidak ada masalah.
I'm talking like 1 minute, you only 10 seconds. Next question please.
Silakan. Bulina ingin bertanya. Silakan Bulina. Terima kasih.
Sejak awal, apakah Anda memang memilih merek Volkswagen sebagai teman perjalanan Anda?
Since the beginning, have you always chosen Volkswagen as your
Yeah,
car?
always.
Yeah.
I mean, when I was 18 years old, I just got the driving license in 6 weeks. And when I drove with 6 weeks, my driving license, my friend asked me, hey, my father is selling cars in Africa. So we drove when I was 18 through the Sahara in 1991. That was my first car, Peugeot. So I'm not always driving VW, it was a Peugeot, but it was much before my business. When I start Challenge 4, you know, I always work.
Kayak malu ngomong. Targetnya emang
Jadi untuk perjalanan ini selalu Volkswagen, tapi aku lebih muda, mobil pertamanya adalah Peugeot, mobil Prancis itu ya.
One more?
So we can do one more. Silakan Pak.
Saya tanyakan nanti kira-kira untuk setiap world tour itu yang dihabiskan berapa?
Setiap tour.
Oh, yeah, that's a good question. But this is mostly the only question I cannot answer. You know, about money I cannot answer because if I tell you anything about my finance, about my sponsorship, then my sponsors will call me and say, Rainer, are you stupid? This is a contract by reason for secret, you know? But it's enough to do it. But I'm the only one doing it in the world. I'm here the only one who has these Guinness World Record in such an amount. And I'm a car fanatic, VW fanatic.
Jadi istilahnya ada fanatik mobil, dia sangat suka mobil sekali. Jadi dia datang sini untuk mengunjungi Anda sekalian sama-sama fanatik mobil juga.
Look at all my world records here one more time. You see the biography on my webpage.
Rekor dunianya.
What's next?
Okay. Can we do another or we should move into the photo session?
Let's do the picture.
Let's do the picture. Okay. Bekas Marina boleh saya undang untuk berfoto bersama dengan Rainer? Silakan.
I would like to ask you to stand up off your seats. Come with me to this great car and we do a big picture and my friend Weedy. Where's Weedy?
Okay. Mr. Rainer?
Little applause for my photographer. He's the best. Weedy, thank you.
Mr. Rainer, can we have the photo with Marina first? Okay. Can we have the... Kali ini kita berfoto terlebih dahulu dengan Ibu. Setelah ini mohon untuk dapat mempersiapkan diri jajaran manajemen Volkswagen Indonesia, Directors of Indomobil Group, dan juga jajaran manajemen PT United Indo Pratama. Mohon berkenan untuk berfoto bersama.
Oke Bu, lihat sini. Oke, 1, 2, lihat sini. Oke. Tutup. 4 gambar tutup. Wah. Oke. Oh iya, yes, oke. Oke.
For the community, yeah?
Volkswagen community.
Okay, community. So everyone in this side, silakan untuk rekan-rekan komunitas berada di sisi dari Mr. Heine. Silakan. Teman-teman komunitas, silakan. Dan juga di sebelah sini silakan.
Pas acara ini jaketku makin gak ada.
Rekan-rekan komunitas.
Nggak mau tak mikir hujan deh ini. Biar mau makannya. Iya. Sesuai kan sing PW ngono ya. PW penggemarnya udah sih.
Silakan kita abadikan terlebih dahulu. And after this, we can take another picture with Ibu Lina and Mr. Heine.
Oke. 1, 2. Lagi.
One more. Mr. Heine, one more picture with jajaran manajemen Volkswagen Indonesia and Ibu Lina also. Can we invite?
Look, man, I have a secret. Everywhere I'm driving, I do 1, 2, 3 ID bus. Let's see what it means. You know what it is? You know what it is? 1, 2, 3 ID bus.
1, 2, 3 ID bus, right? Okay.
ID bus ready? 1, 2, 3. ID bus. One more time. Coming
One more for the video. Silakan lihat kamera.
1, 2, 3. ID bus. I have also heard about the fun. What is it? Harmony. Getting we have a call for the Volkswagen Unity. So I say pump. I say pump and then you say United. So 1, 2, 3, pump. And then, are you ready? Ready. 1, 2, 3, pump. Unity. One more time.
Lagi.
3. My friends, let's watch the show.
Yes, thank you very much for this present from Volkswagen community. What actually is it? What do you see on it? Yeah. Very good. My friends, yeah, East Java region, all the clubs. I heard they have 270 clubs. 270. Yes. 18 clubs. Thank you very much. Thank you for this present. Thank you. I'm a big fan of you. I'm a big fan of Volkswagen. I'm a big fan of ID Bus. Thank you very much. Good. What's
Thank you
next?
so much, Volkswagen Indonesia Association.
Yeah.
Can we move to another agenda after Mr. Heine taking picture with that T-shirt? Can we move to another agenda, signing, then cap?
Okay.
But before that, we have something to be given to the community from Mr. Heine.
One more time. 1, 2. Okay.
Thank you very much. Thank you, terima kasih. Thank you.
Mr.
Do it.
Heine, you will deliver this gift to the community. Bapak Ibu tamu undangan rekan-rekan media, ini ada satu token of appreciation yang akan disampaikan oleh Mr. Heine kepada komunitas.
Now, my friends, I just learned that I have also a present for you. You know, I'm a sponsor also from Jinky Tire in Indonesia, and they have made my tires, and we have also a nice cover. Now, this is a present for you, okay? What is inside? I'm curious. Can we just open it, please? Please open one so we can see. cousin, yes. For sleeping. I told you I sleep 8 hours in the car. Thank you very much for this. Thank you. Good present. Thank you very much. Enjoy, enjoy. Now, next point, please.
Next point is signing the cap, sir.
Yes.
Oke, silakan rekan-rekan, kita akan mengikuti momen berikutnya yaitu penandatanganan pada topi. Silakan berdiri membentuk satu tanda tangan di atas topi yang sudah disediakan. Kami sampaikan bahwa ini adalah sifatnya terbatas sehingga kami harapkan kesediaan dari Bapak dan Ibu atau rekan-rekan yang komunitas dapat berbaris.
My friends, I'm very happy now to sit here and sign for you. 20 minutes.
Terbatas hanya 20 topi, satu baris, seorang orang satu dan terbatas hanya 20 topi saja. Untuk tamu undangan atau rekan-rekan ya Bapak Ibu yang sudah mengantri, mohon berkenan menyebutkan nama yang ingin dituliskan di topi ini kepada Kak Yudit. Silakan teman-teman.
Sorry.
Longer than the short one, it has 86 kilowatt, and I can drive 400 kilometers. Oh, here we go. Okay. Might be, do we need a translator? Is okay? Okay. Do you understand? Yeah. Okay, 86 kilowatt. The battery is going from here all the way to here, and the car is 2.7 ton heavy. 2.7 ton. That means not many things can go inside. Yeah, this is the problem because Volkswagen want to make out of ID. Buzz a Samba, you know, but or California. Yes, windows and even lift up the roof and so on. But it's complicated because of the weight. You know, weight. Now, do you want to see what's behind that door?
Yes.
Do you want to see it?
Please open it.
It's a secret for driving around the world, especially through China. Okay, my friends, have a look.
Wow.
I call it the machine. The machine.
Oh, go.
And you need to come here. Look at this. The machine is about $80,000 US. Wow. Almost the same as the car. It's for converting the power from here, from the plug, to the car. This is CCS2. So you must know that this engine, or this car is very sensitive. It's like a woman, you know, be careful. So this car needs to have the software being recognized, and this is the machine. You cannot just plug in the power and charge the car. The machine like this has to be in between, that the car recognize its power, you know, it's real power. So with this full power charging, 2 hours only. 2 hours only. That's a very, very good. That's the reason why it's 80,000 heavy. Okay. Look at this. I'm sleeping in the car. I'm sleeping in the car as a truck driver, as I told you. 1.80 meters from here to the end. 1.80 meters. Where's Billy coming? I need Billy. Billy coming. My Billy is my big fan, a big friend. Yes, he's just doing a picture from here, over my shoulder. Anything else you want to know from this machine or from here? Because I closed the door. Can you close? All right, so come with me to the next side of the car. Come to me off the back side. All right, do you want me to open here? Billy, you have me?
I'm here.
Okay, Billy, I'll go from here.
Okay, siap.
Gonna open?
Yes.
There was, remember at the press conference, there was one person asking me about modification. You?
Yeah, me.
So now you see the modification, okay? Do you want to see it?
By the way, in the mobile. So this is how I sleep. I told you this is a cushion, sleeping bag, and here are my private stuff. But what is in here? I would like to ask you to help me, please. Okay. Just pull it here, please. This one? Yeah, just pull. Yeah. Just more. Yeah. Okay. And just down. My friends, when you travel around the world, you need equipment, okay? And every time I cross borders, every time customs asking me what's inside, and sometimes I have to carry this on my own. Okay, I open. Do you think there's anything dangerous in it?
No.
Just have it. Just have a look. Just have a look. Open it. Hey, be careful. All right, look, that it is. This is what I need. Look at this heavy cable. Look at this machine. You see this here? This is the reason for charging for 2 hours. It's like 16 amp thick. It's almost the thickest cable you can get before it gets water cooled. Understand? So with this equipment, number one, and I have the same in here, I can travel the world. So in this car we have equipment of about $100,000. Don't say it to anyone, otherwise someone's just taking my cables.
And you lift this by yourself.
Oh no, well you help me again, isn't it? My friends, that was my presentation. If you want, we can do all of you a picture. Midi? Yeah, is it okay? So we close the door and you come with me to the front and we do one picture, okay? Picture time. First time here. And everyone behind me, we have the car in the back. We have the car. You come here. Okay. No, more people. Everyone. No. All people who wants to be with me in the picture. First me alone. Sure. Looks. I have to do my picture first alone. Sorry, alone. And then everyone in the picture. No. Okay, let's do it.
Sebenarnya kelihatan, Pak.
Nice, very nice.
I say 1, 2, 3, Indonesia. I say 1, 2, 3, Jakarta.
Surabaya.
Really, one picture here from here.
Oh, Kacatul.
teman-teman, sebentar.
I say one, and now I need your audience. Now I need everyone from you telling me what's the town I'm coming to. Are you ready? Filming. Where's the filmman? Where's my filmman? Where's the cameraman? No, that's the photographer. Please come here. This moment I need you here. So, are you ready?
Ready.
Okay. Are you ready? I'm saying 1, 2, 3, and you say to me the town I'm here. Are you ready?
Ready.
1, 2, 3.
Surabaya.
Thank you so much. Thank you. It was lovely. One more picture like this if you want. But I'm happy to be here in Surabaya. From here I now go to Bali, to Kura, back to Jakarta, and then Australia. And from Australia all the way to Africa. And from Africa all the way to Middle East. And from Middle East back to Europe, and then down to South America, North America, and back to Europe again. 1 year on the road, and follow me on my webpage, www.idbus-worldtour.com. All right?
All right.
Thank you very much, friends. Thank you. All the best. Bye-bye, Surabaya.
Bye-bye. No. Bye-bye.
Indonesia, of course.
Mundur meneh.
Awas.
It's great to Thank you for hosting me. Thank you.
Once again,
Look, guys, you must understand. I cannot do the whole day the same.
sorry Bu Lina, tentang acara ini sebenarnya apa sih Bu?
Sebetulnya tujuan kami itu ingin membuktikan bahwa ID Buzz ini sangat tangguh. Terbukti bahwa seorang Reynard Zedlow aja berani loh membawa mobil ini dengan rencananya kan ke 70 negara. Otomatis kan membuktikan bahwa mobil Volkswagen ID Buzz ini tangguh sekali dan nyaman sekali.